VDM, Nigerian politicians, B-Lord, Nigerian pastors, and African and the world hackers, you all listening to this latest stories that I'm bringing to you. I had a word with Don Jazzy. I found out that the man is willing to do much donation to so many charities like he has been doing to some other ones, and no comment. Nobody have come to say, I am this, I am that. And Don Jazzy have been keeping quiet, doing donation to so many charities, home and abroad. Why is he doing it? Because he make a covenant with God that I, Don Jazzy, if you keep blessing me, God, I will be sowing to the poor and the needy. When Don Jazzy was telling me that story, I was like, wow, amazing story. Don J, may God bless you. I enjoyed that conversation we had yesterday. Why am I saying this? VDM, you that can fish into somebody's story, you that can fish into pastor and prophets to know that the oil is fake, that the water is fake, you that can know every pastor that is fake pastor, fake miracle. How come you do not know the person that hacked into your website? How come VDM, the money that they donated to your NGO, you have not started anything that anybody sees? Only thing you do is you go here, you buy motor, you say, no, it's not from your NGO money. You will go here, you will collect money, you will do this, say it's not from your NGO money. You will give money to your cousins that it's not your NGO money. We've not seen you doing things to the life of those youths, those schools. Or is it when the youth corpers graduate, when they finish, you will start? Or when Nigeria come with the different stories? VDM, Nigerians are too big to listen to this kind of stories. Meanwhile, person that is insulting his mother, that is not good. If you are accusing VDM that is right or is wrong, how many Nigerians have you insulted from like Buhari? When snakes swallow money, when they don't know as a python they swallow money. All these big politicians that snake are swallowing money, even Yaya Bello, all of them, even the one that they're supposed to be arrested with hush puppy, all these criminals. Now, VDM have come with the same story, just to shake you people, to humble you people. Some are start insulting him, some are start calling him names. VDM have never swallowed the money. He just want to play pranks with you people. Did you know that in this country, they can arrange with some police to go on the net that we are looking for one criminal that hack money? Somebody can come out and they give him 500,000 or even 200,000. We say, yes, I am one of the people that stole the money. They have catch me. They will arrest me now. The person will accept to go to detention. Highest 1 month, 2 months. He will collect his 500,000. They will release him from corner because the face is not popular. He will come out. The person might even accept to go and use marker to give himself mark. You will think that the person have a tribal mark. He will come. I'm the most biggest hacker. I'm the one that hack 170 million from VDM account. Please, Nigeria, forgive me. They will pay him 1 million naira. Tomorrow he will say that they detain him, they take him to court. Next tomorrow he will come out and clean the marker. His face will become smooth. If you and I see him on the road, we will not even know him. So sometimes when you are accusing other NGOs, that's what I keep telling people. When you are fighting somebody, telling the person that you are wearing back clothes, think of your own. Person where they cut person with cutlass, no, they allow person, may they carry cutlass, pass for him back. My name is His Royal Highness IGBOALA. I'm still the NDI, one of United Arab Emirates. Amolo have the most rugged prophet you can never contain in this earth. Spiritual work now our matter. We carry and come, but then follow come. We sabi am reach grant. When picking they cry, a mama the way they talk, they watch and they smile. Be careful how you tell stories. Correct these things, I beg. It's too cheap. It's a very common stories. I've seen